Chapter 2. Animal Habitat and Adaptation. Learning Objectives. To understand. Times habitat. Times adaptation. Times organs for movement. Times migration. To find out. Times different kind of body coverings of animals who protect themselves from various climate conditions. Times about predators. Times animal which migrate. Habitat. The environment in which an organism naturally lives and reproduces is called its habitat. Air, land and water are the habitats for the different kinds of animals. These places have different climatic conditions, temperature, availability of food and water. Forest. Habitats in forests have a huge cover of plants and trees. A large number of animals have their habitat in the forest. Many animals live in forests, example, elephant, deer, burrows, example, rabbit and snake, caves, example, lion and tiger, on trees, example, monkey and bird, etc. Various animals who have forests as their habitat have well-developed forelimbs and hind limbs that help them to walk and run. These limbs also help them to hunt and run away from predators. Desert. Deserts are sandy lands with very little rainfall. These areas are dry and very hot during the day and cold at night. Rattlesnake, kangaroo rat, camel, scorpion, etc. are usually found in deserts. Desert animals have peculiar features to survive the heat and scarcity of water. For example, a camel has thick and broad feet that help it to walk on the loose sand easily. Its eyes are protected from the blowing sand by thick eyelids. The animals in such regions maintain reserves of water and food inside their bodies. They have pale-colored skin that does not absorb too much heat. Some desert animals also keep themselves cool by burrowing in the day and coming out only at night. Fresh water. The water in ponds, rivers and lakes is called fresh water. The amphibians like frogs, shrimps and fish are examples of animals living in fresh water. The amphibians can breathe with their lungs on land and with gills in water. Therefore, they can survive both on land and in water. A typical gill consists of a stack of thin flaps connected to the animal's blood supply. The flaps absorb oxygen from water and pass it into the blood, which transfer it to the tissues. Carbon dioxide is given out into water. Frogs have long legs and webbed feet, ducks, swans have webbed feet and cranes have long legs respectively, help them to survive in water easily. Ocean. The oceans are reservoirs of salty water and form the largest habitat of the earth. The oceans like the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean are the home of a large variety of animals like whales, dolphins, clams, crabs, octopus, corals, fish, sharks, prawns, sea turtles, jellyfish and many other types of animals. Polar regions. The polar regions and mountains are characterized by very cold and long winters and short and cold summers. The animals in the polar regions, especially penguins, have thick fur on their body. They have a layer of fat under their skin called the blubber. It helps in keeping the body warm. Penguin, polar bear, Arctic fox, seal and walrus are some examples of polar animals. Adaptations. The special features which develop in an animal to help it to survive in its habitat are known as adaptation. Some of the adaptations shown by animals are as follows. Body covering. Different animals have different body coverings which help them to survive in their environment. These may be shell, fur, scales or feathers. 1. Fur. The body of sheep, bear and yak is covered with fur, wool, that protects them from cold climate. Sheep, bear, yak. 2. Scales. The reptiles, i.e., lizards, crocodiles and snakes have scales on their bodies. This helps to prevent water loss from their body. Over a period of time, some reptiles like the snakes shed their skin. The process of shedding of old skin to replace it with new skin is called molting. Fish are covered with overlapping scales that are waterproof. 3. Shell. Animals such as turtles, snails and tortoises are protected by a hard shell. When these animals sense danger, they withdraw their head and feet into the shell. This hard shell safeguards them from predators. 4. Feathers. The birds fly in air easily due to feathers. Feathers also keep them warm during the cold weather. Additionally, birds also have a light body and hollow bones that enable an easy flight. 5. Hard body covering. Grasshopper and cockroaches are insects which have a hard body covering. This covering is made of a substance called chitin. Breathing organs. Breathing is essential for survival. Animals living in different habitats have different breathing organs to adjust in their environment. Skin. Animals like frog and earthworm take in oxygen present in soil through their moist skin. Their moist skin helps in exchange of gases. Lungs. Reptiles, birds and mammals breathe through lungs. Air is taken in through nose and passed into lungs. Whales live in water and have large lungs to help them carry out exchange of gases. They come up to the surface of water to take in oxygen. Spiracles. Insects like flies, mosquitoes and butterflies breathe through the air holes present on their body. These air holes are called spiracles. Air enters and leaves the insect's body through the spiracles. Body surface. Very small organisms, which cannot be seen with naked eyes but are visible through a microscope, breathe through the body surface, example amoeba and paramecium. Gills. Animals like prawns, crabs and fish live in water and breathe through gills. Water flows in through the mouth and flows out through the gills. Animals with gills cannot breathe on land. Adaptations for movement. Animals move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. They also move in search of their mate and to escape from enemies. Different animals have different types of adaptations for movement. Birds. Birds have lightweight feathers and strong muscles that help them to fly. These muscles are called flight muscles. Movements in birds. Upstroke. Downstroke. Movement in reptiles. The reptiles like crocodiles and lizards have short legs that help them to move. Snakes crawl with the help of scales and their flexible backbone by pushing their body against the ground in a zigzag manner because they do not have legs. Crocodile. Snake. Movement in insects. Most insects are six-legged creatures and have wings. Wings help them to fly. Some do not have wings, example ants, bedbugs and spiders move by crawling. Some insects are able to swim in water by using their legs as oars. A water insect named water boatman is an example. Some insects like grasshopper are able to hop with the help of their hind legs. Movement in land animals. Most of the animals living on land walk with the help of their limbs. The front two are called forelimbs and the two at the back are called hindlimbs. Frogs and kangaroos are leapers. Snails and slugs have a large single foot on which they glide. Movement in aquatic animals. Animals living in water are known as aquatic animals. Fish move with the help of two paired fins and a tail fin that helps it to change its direction. An unpaired fin helps the fish to maintain its balance. Dolphins, whales and porpoises are all mammals that have flippers for smooth swimming. Flippers also help turtles, seals and penguins to swim through water. Octopuses, squids and cuttlefish take in water and expel it forcefully. Water gets expelled backwards and these animals are able to move forward. Animals like turtles, octopus and penguins have paddle-like limbs and tail which they use to push back water and swim. Frogs and ducks use their webbed feet to swim in water. Movement in humans. Various activities in human beings are accomplished by legs like standing, walking, running, etc. Their hands and fingers help in movement, grasping and controlling devices over two large distances. This movement is called migration. Animals move in large groups from one place to another in search of food and warmth. Most of the birds also migrate during the winter season for better breeding grounds. During winters, Siberian cranes or white cranes migrate to India. They are long-distance migrants. Some mammals such as whales migrate from polar regions to warmer oceans during winter. Some insects such as the monarch butterflies migrate from Canada to Mexico during winter. To lay their eggs in rivers, salmons migrate very long distances. Let's revise. The place where animals live, feed and reproduce is called their habitat. Times fish are adapted to live in water. For that they have a streamlined body, fins to swim and gills for breathing in water. Times animals that live both in water and on land are called amphibians. Times different animals have different food habits. Times animals have different organs like wings, legs, webbed feet and flippers for movement. Times birds have a streamlined body, hollow bones and lightweight feathers that help them to fly. Times in response to seasonal changes, animals move over two large distances and this is called migration.